a short introduction. My name is Aleksandar Mitrov. At my role, I'm responsible for the product portfolio of AMS-IX, and in this presentation, I'll try to give you a very short update on one of the services that we are working on. I would like to start with the mission of AMS-IX, which is to facilitate open and safe internet, and as such, at AMS-IX, we put very big importance on the exchange of local peering traffic. At our Amsterdam Internet Exchange, we have successfully exchanged traffic for over 30 years, have become one of the biggest exchange points in the world. And we continue to promote and build local internet exchanges around the world with our strategic partnerships and IX as a service. And from the next slide, we can see that the biggest content providers in the world agree with this, with the importance of having a local presence around the world. In the last 30 years, I have seen how these providers have expanded closer and closer to their users around the world. So, but unfortunately, many of the other networks, they do not have the business case, the use case to have such a to have presence at so many locations around the world. So at AMS-IX, we decided to help our customers to reach peers at other ecosystems by introducing a new service called Cross-IX. The Cross-IX service, with the Cross-IX service, we would like to simplify the process to reach many other peering ecosystems and hopefully reduce their costs. This service is not only beneficial for our customers or the networks, but it's also beneficial to the other internet exchanges because it enriches their ecosystem and it provides more value to these other local peering points around the world. But as usual, at AMS-IX, we believe in collaboration. So this service, it's a service that we are doing together in the community, together with other internet exchanges. And as a starting point, we are going to start pilots with 3 internet exchanges, the Milan Internet Exchange, Netnod, and France-IX. Together, we are working at this moment to somehow establish this service together, and we hope that in a few months we'll be able to enable peering at our internet exchange. But so, for example, the customers of these 3 internet exchanges will be able to reach 700 other networks that are currently not present at those local internet exchanges. And the same will be for our customers at AMS-IX. They will be able to reach the networks that are not present at the exchange in Amsterdam. How will that work? It's in practice, everybody will keep their local access to their local peering exchange. They will have their local peering, but next to it, they'll be able to provision an extra VLAN where they can be able to access these services. At AMS-IX, already today, we have this principle where we are able to provision multiple services on one access port, so this will be just an additional VLAN, additional service. At this point, we are starting only with these 3 exchanges. We would like to learn how would this work, would it be really beneficial, and if it proves to be successful, we can then further explore other partnerships with other internet exchanges or other places around the world. As I said, this is positioned more as a community project, so other internet exchanges will be probably doing the same. But at this moment, we are trying to bring this up together with these 3 internet exchanges. It was just a short presentation, but the aim is basically to gather your feedback, and I'll be here walking around in the break, so I'll really like to talk about it, and if you have any feedback or questions, we will appreciate to get, because this is still a pilot.